Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to find the square root of any perfect square which is bigger than 1000. We'll do some easy examples. Let's start with the square root of 1296. Here, you have two options. Here, there's a 6. So your options could be 4 or 6. We don't need these right now. We look at the first digits. Cross out the last two digits and just don't look at them. We don't need to do anything with them till the end. 12 and the square root of 12, we don't really do. It's somehow just like 3.4 something. So we know this, 3.4. We don't do that. We find the closest perfect square, which is smaller than this number. Over here, it's 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Our first digit of the answer is 3. Then, if it's a 4 or a 6, you need a test this time. 34 or 36. Let's square them both. Let's use this method. 3609. But actually, we really need to know about this. If it's a 3-digit number, you only have to know the square root of this 2-digit number. Except from, you need to know the numbers, which is 1 more or 1 less than the 25 times table. You need to know. C. But then, you didn't write 101. You only need 01. Because we do 2 digits. We can just complete it with this. Let's do 3 times 4 times 2, 24. 6 plus 4 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 1, 5, 6. Different. So we know any square of any number ending in 3, 4 will not end in 9, 6. It'll end in 5, 6. So definitely this will be the answer as 36. You only need to do the smaller one. It will give you the correct answer. So the answer to this question, the square root of 1296, is 36. Let's just rub this out real quick. Let's just do another example. Let's write it down. 117649. 49. Everyone's ready? Let's do 49 squared, 51 squared. You need to do here. But then, what? You see, watch here. This number is in the 49 times table. So this means this can't be 43. But then, so we work on 43 squared, which is 1849. 43. Now, 1176. Who needs to do this? Cross this out. Now, cross this out. That looks nicer. Now, 11. And cross this. Okay, I'll tell you someone to square root of 11. 3.333. Something like that. And it's 3.3. 3. That's how it starts. Not sure about them as a 3. Must be 3.3333333 and anything. So this is a 3 and your answer is 343. It really looks like, which is really not equal to that. That is 243. If you take the other one as multiply, I mostly do but you don't have to do that in square roots. Now, this is the final example. This one is gonna be a little bit harder, but too much easier. Because this number doesn't even have a double square root. When we did 2736, it did. But why don't we do some other examples? And just to tell you, please tell me the answer to the square root of 2736 in the comments, because I really want to know if you know. And I also know. So just tell me. Come on. Let's do 4194304. This is nice. Now 304 48 4194 20. Now this is nice. 4304 419 2048. You could do this method very quickly. You could find the last 2 digits. If they're the same, that's 3 digits, the same. 4 digits, the same. 5 digits, the same. Just keep looking until you find what your last digits are. And if you go all the way to start, I didn't have to, because most squares don't end in 94304. So our answer will be 2048. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.